Welcome to Learn English Chill.
I arrive early at the airport.
I arrive early at the airport.
I carry a suitcase with me.
I carry a suitcase with me.
I check the flight schedule board.
I check the flight schedule board.
I go to the check-in counter.
I go to the check-in counter.
I give my passport to the staff.
I give my passport to the staff.
I receive my boarding pass.
I receive my boarding pass.
I put my bag on the scale.
I put my bag on the scale.
I walk to the security checkpoint.
I walk to the security checkpoint.
I place my laptop in a tray.
I place my laptop in a tray.
I remove my jacket and shoes.
I remove my jacket and shoes.
I pass through the metal detector.
I pass through the metal detector.
I collect my things after checking.
I collect my things after checking.
I look for my departure gate.
I look for my departure gate.
I sit and wait near the gate.
I sit and wait near the gate.
I drink coffee at a small cafe.
I drink coffee at a small cafe.
I read a book while waiting.
I read a book while waiting.
I buy snacks from a kiosk.
I buy snacks from a kiosk.
I watch planes through the big window.
I watch planes through the big window.
I listen to announcements carefully.
I listen to announcements carefully.
I show my ticket before boarding.
I show my ticket before boarding.
I walk on the boarding bridge.
I walk on the boarding bridge.
I find my seat on the plane.
I find my seat on the plane.
I put my bag above my seat.
I put my bag above my seat.
I fasten my seatbelt properly.
I fasten my seatbelt properly.
I look out of the airplane window.
I look out of the airplane window.
I read a magazine on the plane.
I read a magazine on the plane.
I eat a small meal during the flight.
I eat a small meal during the flight.
I watch a movie on the screen.
I watch a movie on the screen.
I sleep for a short time.
I sleep for a short time.
I drink juice or water on board.
I drink juice or water on board.
I stretch my legs in the aisle.
I stretch my legs in the aisle.
I wait calmly for the plane to land.
I wait calmly for the plane to land.
I take my bag from overhead.
I take my bag from overhead.
I walk out of the airplane.
I walk out of the airplane.
I follow signs to passport control.
I follow signs to passport controls.
I show my passport to the officer.
I show my passport to the officer.
I wait at the baggage claim area.
I wait at the baggage claim area.
I find my suitcase on the carousel.
I find my suitcase on the carousel.
I check the tag to be sure.
I check the tag to be sure.
I go through customs with my bag.
I go through customs with my bag.
I meet my family at the exit.
I meet my family at the exit.
I smile and wave at my relatives.
I smile and wave at my relatives.
I take a taxi outside the airport.
I take a taxi outside the airport.
I put my suitcase in the taxi trunk.
I put my suitcase in the taxi trunk.
I take photos of the airport building.
I take photos of the airport building.
I buy a souvenir from a shop.
I buy a souvenir from a shop.
I look at airplanes flying in the sky.
I look at airplanes flying in the sky.
I send a message to my friend.
I send a message to my friend.
I check my flight again for updates.
I check my flight again for updates.
I enjoy the busy life of the airport.
I enjoyed the busy life of the airport.
Thanks for watching.